Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the surface and film precisely. Wipe the area with 70% alcohol and a lint-free cloth so no dust or oils remain. Once dry, you'll measure and cut the second film slightly oversized by 3.5 mm to ensure full coverage. Spray a light soap and water solution onto the substrate and the adhesive side to allow repositioning. Make sure your squeegee and a low heat gun are at hand. These first steps set the stage for a bubble-free application. You'll now begin the application in a controlled, steady motion. Peel the backing 10-20 cm and align the exposed edge, then lay the film down gradually while keeping it taut. Once placed, use overlapping squeegee strokes from center toward the edges to expel water and air. If you hit a curved section, apply gentle heat, 60 to 80 degrees, to make the film pliable and conform without stretching. Make sure to re-wet if repositioning is needed, so the adhesive doesn't grab prematurely. You finish by trimming and curing the film for long-term performance. Use a sharp blade to trim flush, leaving a 0.5 to 1 mm tuck where edges meet. Press edges with the squeegee and apply low heat to cure the adhesive. Let the installation sit undisturbed for 24 to 48 hours to fully bond. If small bubbles remain after curing, gently micro-puncture with a fine needle. Then apply heat and squeegee outward to release trapped air. This resolves most defects quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.